Gothic doors are often framed by pointed arches, a hallmark of Gothic architecture. This design distributes weight efficiently, allowing for taller and wider doorways. Above Gothic doors, a tympanum, semicircular or triangular space, is commonly adorned with intricate reliefs depicting biblical scenes, saints, or moral allegories, serving both aesthetic and didactic purposes. Elaborate stone or wood tracery, often featuring floral, geometric, or flowing designs, decorates the doors and their surrounding frames, adding depth and intricacy. Gothic doors are often flanked or crowned by grotesque sculptures or gargoyles. These figures serve both decorative and symbolic roles. The doors in Gothic architecture were often monumental in size, emphasizing grandeur and inviting worshippers into the spiritual space of the cathedral or church. Gothic doors often appear deeply set into the building's facade, framed by a series of receding pointed arches and columns. This creates a dramatic sense of depth and draws the eye inward. Gothic door carvings often included symbolic elements like the Tree of Life, the Lamb of God, or depictions of the Last Judgment, reinforcing the church's teachings through visual art. Iron hinges, handles, and locks on Gothic doors were often highly decorative, featuring scrollwork, floral patterns, or even mythological creatures. This functional artistry added another layer of detail. Many Gothic doors were originally painted or gilded, adding vibrant colors to the carvings and designs. Though much of this paint has faded over time, remnants reveal a once colorful facade. Gothic doors were part of larger, cohesive facades that included sculptures, lancet windows, and decorative niches. The doors often served as focal points, harmonizing with the intricate facade around them. These architectural elements combined to make Gothic doors not just functional entrances but powerful statements of artistry, faith, and engineering ingenuity.